Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery on your Ford Fusion key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. This simple process is straightforward and will save you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started by finding the key fob's small opening slot. Now, insert the small flathead screwdriver into the designated slot you found. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry open the key fob. You'll feel a slight pop as the two halves separate. Take your time to avoid any damage to the casing or the delicate internal electronics, ensuring a smooth opening. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Give your key fob a quick test to make sure it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced the battery and saved yourself some valuable time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.